DJI is known for things like drones and cameras. They are now making high quality microphone kits as well. The original DJI Mic was the industry standard choice for capturing mobile data through wireless microphone receivers. Now the company has released the new DJI Mic 2 with artificial intelligence features. Aside from equipping the microphone with AI, there are few other quality of life improvements. The biggest is the ability to pair directly with a smartphone, which is a neat addition. DJI has added a bigger touchscreen, enhanced internal recording, and made the device easier to control. There is a new transparency colorway. The pearl white color is a sleek and simple white color, but the shadow black one is transparent. The front of the shadow black transmitter is just clear enough to reveal some of the chips and board inside the Mic 2. Apart from that, each receiver is similar to the original, although the footprint has been shrunk a bit. They can be used as wireless lavalier mics with a built-in and magnetic mount clip. Looks are far from all that's new in the DJI Mic 2. The buttons are shifted around and are now circular. On the left side of each transmitter, you will find a record button and a USB port. The right side features a power button, link button, and LED status light. This is a big deal since the first edition had a light on the front where it could be seen in video shots. Each transmitter has a longer battery life. The transmitter lasts up to 6 hours on a single charge and can be extended up to 18 hours with a charging kit.